It's an exciting moment in the Amazon room right now. I don't know if you guys can see the commotion happening behind me, but we are on the money bubble, and we're on the money bubble one day before we even thought that we'd get there. Everyone predicted that the money bubble would happen around day 4 of the main event. It is day 3 right now. Out of 6,650 entrants, I think I got that total number right. We are down to 1,009 players. That means 9 players to go, and we will officially be in the money for the 2021 World Series of Poker. I wanted to show you guys what it looks like here in the Amazon room, and a few of the famous faces that are still in include Chris Moneymaker, Gary Gates, Leo Margetts, Mike Matisow, Marley Spragg, Elke, Chris Moorman. Any minute now, the money bubble will break, and the energy in here is so exciting.
So my name is Nina, this is my sister. So far she's doing great. Her first tournament ever on a poker main event. We are from Croatia originally, but she lived here for about 17 years. I'm super excited because she's doing super well, and we hope to be in the main table.
Just slow and steady, taking in a few pots, had a couple small losses and another bigger loss, but overall it's good.
Table is so great. It's not any professional poker player, and everyone just try to make it money. So it's good.
Money bubble strategy will depend on who's at my table, how many chips I have, how many chips they have. So it really kind of depends. You know, I'm definitely one to abuse the bubble if I can.
It's going awesome. I got 1.1 million. Haven't had too many difficult spots. You know, I busted a good friend is the only bad thing, but other than that, I'm up here on the feature table and didn't do much on the last level, but I'm sitting in a really good spot as we get close to the money bubble, and hopefully I'll be able to do some bad things on the money bubble and cause some people some headache.
The minimum cash will be $15,000, so that's a $5K profit from a $10K buy-in. And of course, you know, that might not be the life-changing money that a final table or the millions that the first place winner will get, but the achievement of having made it through 3 days of the World Series of Poker main event is very cool, especially if you're a beginning type player. I remember the first year I ever played this event. We have an announcement.
After completion of this hand, we will go from the table to the table once all hands are complete and all are ready to go.
All right. We officially just got the word that we are hand-for-hand play. We're gonna keep the cameras rolling, scan the room, let you guys see what the energy, the play, maybe the stalling is like in the Amazon room. The money bubble is about to break.
3/8 is gonna be the best hand over here. That's gonna be the best hand second elimination. 3/8 is the best hand. Second one is eliminated, and we're down to 1,003.
I feel like it's been 2.5 hours, literally, and it's taking way too long. Somebody needs to take a bad beat so I can go to bed, to be honest, because everybody who's getting it in, the shorter stack always has the better hand, 95% of the time. So eventually we need somebody to get cooler so we can all go to sleep. And for one lot, I mean, at least the guy who bubbles now gets a $10,000 seat for next year, so that'll be cool, but I'm so tired.
I'm tired, man. I got a baby. I'm tired.
Is there any situation which you would just want, with one person left, just like walk out the door and just like let someone bag it for you?
Never in a million years. No. Especially right now, this is a really good situation I'm in. I hope this bubble lasts as long as possible.
Congratulations to the 1,000 players at the 2021 World Series of Poker main event who are officially in the money. Okay, guys and ladies, now you have work to do, and PokerNews is here bringing you continued coverage of the main event. I'm Tiffany Michelle, and this video is powered by Club GG.